Welcome, fellow enthusiasts, to our channel, where we delve into the thrilling world of cryptocurrency investing. Today, we're on a quest to uncover the secrets of maximizing profits in this ever-evolving digital landscape. So, whether you're a curious novice dipping your toes into the crypto waters or a seasoned trader looking to sharpen your skills, you've come to the right place. Let's kick things off with a fundamental question. What exactly is a cryptocurrency, and why should you consider investing in it? At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that utilizes cryptography for secure transactions and operates independently of central banks. With its decentralized nature and potential for high returns, it's no wonder that cryptocurrency has captured the imagination of investors worldwide. But what sets cryptocurrency apart from traditional fiat currencies? One word: decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies that are controlled by governments and central banks, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks powered by blockchain technology. This means that transactions are verified and recorded by a network of computers rather than a single authority, providing greater transparency, security, and autonomy. So, why should you consider investing in cryptocurrency? For starters, it offers unparalleled opportunities for financial growth and innovation. With the potential for exponential returns, cryptocurrencies have become a favored asset class among investors seeking to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on emerging trends in the digital economy. But perhaps even more compelling is the disruptive potential of cryptocurrency to revolutionize traditional industries and reshape the global economy. From decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to smart contracts and blockchain-based applications, the possibilities are endless for those willing to embrace the transformative power of cryptocurrency. However, it's essential to approach cryptocurrency investing with caution and diligence. While the potential for high returns is enticing, the crypto market is notorious for its volatility and unpredictability. Prices can fluctuate dramatically in a matter of hours, making it crucial to conduct thorough research, exercise patience, and diversify your investments to mitigate risks. Fortunately, there are a plethora of tools, resources, and strategies available to help you navigate the complexities of cryptocurrency investing. From technical analysis and chart patterns to fundamental research and risk management techniques, arming yourself with knowledge and skills is key to success in this fast-paced and dynamic market. But before you dive headfirst into the world of crypto investing, it's essential to arm yourself with knowledge and strategy. That's where our tips for beginners come into play. Tip number 1. Do your research. Take the time to educate yourself about different cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and market trends. Understanding the fundamentals will empower you to make informed investment decisions and minimize risks. Dive deep into white papers, explore online forums and communities, and stay up to date with the latest news and developments in the crypto space. Tip number 2. Diversify your portfolio. Just like traditional investments, spreading your funds across a variety of cryptocurrencies can help mitigate risks and maximize potential returns. Consider investing in a mix of established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as promising altcoins with growth potential. By diversifying your portfolio, you can balance out the volatility of individual assets and position yourself for long-term success. Tip number 3. Practice prudent risk management. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, with prices fluctuating wildly in short periods. Set clear investment goals, establish stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Remember, patience and discipline are key virtues in the world of crypto investing. Resist the temptation to chase quick gains and instead focus on building a solid foundation for your investment journey. By following these tips for beginners, you can embark on your crypto investing journey with confidence and clarity. Remember, success in the crypto market isn't guaranteed, but with the right knowledge, strategy, and mindset, you can navigate the highs and lows and emerge as a savvy investor. Thank you for joining us as we uncover the secrets of maximizing profits in the world of cryptocurrency investing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, tips, and updates on all things crypto. Until next time, happy investing. Tip number 4. Stay informed and adapt to market changes. Keep a close eye on cryptocurrency news, market analyses, and regulatory developments that may impact prices and market sentiment. Being proactive and flexible in your approach will position you for success in the ever-changing crypto landscape. Stay up to date with the latest industry news by following reputable sources, subscribing to newsletters, and joining online communities where you can engage with fellow enthusiasts and experts. By staying informed and remaining agile, you can capitalize on opportunities and navigate challenges with confidence. And finally, tip number 5, hone your trading skills through practice and experience. Take advantage of demo accounts, virtual trading platforms, and cryptocurrency simulators to test your strategies and build confidence without risking real money. Treat your initial forays into cryptocurrency trading as a learning experience, focusing on refining your skills, identifying patterns, and understanding market dynamics. Remember, mastery comes with time and practice. By honing your trading skills and embracing a growth mindset, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and achieve success in the competitive world of crypto trading. With these 5 tips in your arsenal, you're ready to embark on your journey to mastering cryptocurrency investing. Remember, success in the crypto market requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to continuously learn and adapt. By following these tips and staying true to your investment goals, you can navigate the complexities of the crypto landscape with confidence and maximize your profits along the way. As we conclude our exploration into the world of cryptocurrency investing, I hope you feel empowered with the knowledge and insights to navigate this dynamic market with confidence and clarity. Remember, while the cryptocurrency landscape may be filled with excitement and opportunity, it's also essential to approach it with caution and diligence. By staying informed, diversifying your portfolio, and adhering to sound investment principles, you can position yourself for success in this ever-evolving space. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we invite you to continue learning and growing with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights, tips, and updates on all things cryptocurrency.